Probably you know these animals in Spanish, but you don't know the Latino meaning for all of this. Comencemos. Sapo. Una persona metiche. Una persona que se mete en lo que no le importa. Sapo. But what about this one? Rata. Una persona deshonesta. Una persona sin principios. Una persona que te roba. Rata. And what about this famous one? Perro. Perro. I know, it's not your cute puppy. Perro es un hombre de muchas mujeres. Perro. Same here. Perra. Una mujer de muchos hombres. But you know, we have another one. Another animal for that. Zorra. Una mujer de muchos hombres también. What about this one? Jirafa. Una persona muy, muy, muy alta. Y a veces muy flaca. Now, let me know in the comments, what do you think this cerdo means? And people, we are creative. So we have a list of animals. So if you want part 2, let me know in the comments as well. Let me know what kind of person do you think is this. And if you don't know me yet, I'm Christy, your favorite Spanish teacher. I make videos like this one every single week, so follow me. And please don't tell anyone that I taught you that. Kidding. Just share with all your friends. This is not in books, so this is important Spanish that probably you are not going to know. And very important, those are insults. So disclaimer, I'm not saying that you can use that, but if someone used that with you, you are going to know. That's why I'm your favorite Spanish teacher. See you in the next class. Nos vemos.